Alright, the instructions for this problem say, evaluate the improper integral. Does it converge or diverge? So when you get a problem like this, the first thing you want to do is kind of look at it and see how you can rearrange it so that you can actually work out the problem. So you know for improper integrals, you can't use these limits. So you're going to have to change it so that you will be able to actually take this integral. So you're going to rewrite this as the limit as b approaches 4 of the integral from 0 to b. And looking at this, since the limit is going from 0 to this number 4, it's approaching it from the left side. Just like if you have a number line and you're going to 4, you're approaching it from the left side. So that's how we're going to determine this to be from the left. And in doing this, what I would usually do is rewrite my equation so that it looks more familiar to me. So I would rewrite this as 4 minus x to the negative 3/2 dx. And that looks more like something that you are familiar with integrating. So from there, what we're going to do is we're just going to solve the integral. So we're going to leave it as the limit as b approaches 4 from the left. And if you take the integral of this, you're going to wind up with, we know that it's going to be 4 minus x to the negative 1/2, because you're going to subtract, if you do the, I think it's called the power rule, you subtract 1 from that. And then your coefficient is going to be negative 1/2. And that's just from using the rule of integrating. And then it's going to go from 0 to b. And once you get there, you're going to, you can rearrange it so that it looks a little even more familiar. So limit as b approaches 4 from the left. And we're going to, these negatives cancel out. And if you, a fraction underneath the fraction symbol will just flip, so that 1/2 just becomes 2. And then this is a negative exponent, so it can go in the denominator. And 1/2 is the same as square root. And so from 0 to b. Okay, so now we're just going to solve. Limit as b approaches 4 from the left. We'll just put these in a bracket. So basically you have 2 over square root 4 minus b minus 2 over square root 4 minus 0. And if b is approaching 4, this is approaching 2 over the square root of 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And so anything over 0 is, well, 2 divided by an increasingly larger number is going to infinity. This is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Just like if you have 2 over 3, then 2 over 2, then 2 over 1, that number is getting bigger and bigger. So this is going to infinity. And this is going to 2 over the square root of 4, which is 2, 2 over 2, which is 1. So basically you have infinity minus 1, which is infinity. So this diverges. All right.